In this video, we'll talk you through the installation of the Yale Assure SL and the Yale Assure lock. We'll be demonstrating with the Assure lock, but the installation is the same for the Assure SL. To replace an existing deadbolt, simply remove the screws and two halves of the deadbolt. Then remove the latch bolt screws and the latch bolt itself. Now take your new latch bolt. It'll fit into a 60 or 70mm back set, so make sure you adjust to the correct length first. Make sure the arrow is pointing up and insert the latch bolt into the door. Fix the latch bolt in place using the two mounting screws provided. Leave the screws a little loose for now. Ensure the bolt is in the unlocked position and the spindle hub is horizontal. Next, take the external keypad, ensure the tail bar is horizontal. Hold it up to the outside of the door and feed the keypad cable under the latch. Careful not to pinch the wiring. Now remove the mounting plate from the internal assembly and feed the cable through the mounting plate. For the installation of the Yale Assure SL, take the external keypad and hold it up to the outside of the door. Feed the cable under the latch, careful not to pinch the wiring. Fix the two through bolt screws through the mounting plate. Bolt into the external keypad and gently tighten. Make sure the lock is sitting square on the door before fully tightening the screws. Now, hold the internal assembly up to the door and plug the cable into the circuit board socket, ensuring the markings line up. Press it in firmly and tuck the cable into the cable loop on the side. Next, make sure the internal thumb turn is unlocked and hold the internal assembly up to the mounting plate. Again, check that the cable won't be pinched. Secure the internal assembly to the mounting plate using the screws provided. Test the operation of the thumb turn. The bolt movement should be smooth and unobstructed. You can now go back and tighten the latch bolt screws fully. Now all you need to do is insert the batteries provided. When you do this, make sure the bolt is still retracted. If all is good, you should hear the Yale welcome message.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Now put the battery cover on and gently tighten the screw. Your lock will let you know when the batteries are running low, but they should last at least 6 months. If you're installing on an aluminium door, make sure you've cleaned the door of machine swarf. In fact, on any door, always ensure the area you're working on is free of dust and debris. If not, any stray metal shards can short the internal electronics. Make sure that the cable isn't trapped between the lock body and the door. This could also affect the performance. Make sure the batteries are inserted the right way around. Also, if you've replaced the batteries that came with the lock, ensure you're using high-quality alkaline batteries and not rechargeable. These could cause the lock to malfunction.